Skiddly-doo-dee-doo-dow-ba-dee-dow-dee. Pouring with Pilar. She's a barista.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Pouring with Pilar. It is Christmas time. Do you guys like my pugly sweater? I know Dave Wilcox does. Hello, welcome to Pouring with Pilar. If you're new, I'm Pilar. This is my bar, and usually we express ourselves in the kitchen over here by making drinks. But this week we're not actually making anything. I'm just gonna be talking tea with you guys. If you remember, back in September, I did a whole series about tea, and we went over some of the basics that you need to know. But this episode, I just want to talk to you guys about some of my favorite festive teas that I really enjoy drinking in December and enjoy giving as gifts. So we're going to go over about 5 teas that you can find very easily at your local supermarket and either treat yourself with it, enjoy it for yourself, or give it to a tea lover in your life. You guys ready? Nobody said yeah. I'm going to pretend like I heard it. Let's go. All right. We're going to get started with my absolute favorite tea, Earl Grey. Earl Grey was my go-to tea when I was trying to cut out coffee. It is a very, very strong black tea, usually with like an element of citrus. So this one is made with bergamot oil. It just feels very rich. You feel very luxurious when you're drinking it first thing in the morning. Very call the midwife, you know what I mean? Just very bougie. But it's a very, very good tea for anybody who loves caffeine. Next, I'm going to be talking about 2 different kinds of peppermint teas. Now, peppermint might be a little bit confusing because there are so many, but I'm going to break it down to 2. One is a very pure peppermint. This is going to be the one that you want to drink after you have shoveled all those Christmas cookies into your mouth, or when you're done eating that Christmas ham and you just need something to soothe your tummy. Definitely go for a pure peppermint tea. It has nothing in it that's going to upset you further. But if you're ready to keep going like I am, you do round 1, 2, 3, and then you're like, all right, I need more food. This tea is perfect for you. It is my mom's favorite tea. It's called Candy Cane Lane by Celestial Seasonings, and it truly does taste like a candy cane. This tea is made with non-caffeinated green tea, so it's perfect to drink at night or day, anytime. Non-caffeinated green tea, peppermint, a little bit of cinnamon, and the kicker, the great ingredient in here, is a dash of vanilla. So it truly does taste like a candy cane. If you are struggling with your glucose intake, or you are diabetic, you can't have a lot of sugar, this is the perfect way to get that candy cane flavor without getting all that sugar. So, pure peppermint and the candy cane tea. Next, I am going to be talking about, this one is so good. If you've never had cinnamon apple tea, definitely go back to the store right now. Right now, I'll wait for you guys. Okay, now that they're gone. So this tea is super good. This one is the cinnamon apple spice, also by Celestial Seasonings. I'm kind of biased, but it is made with the apple flavoring, with the cinnamon flavoring. But what I found interesting about this tea is that it's also made with hints of caramel and chocolate. So it's perfect to drink standalone, but it's also great if you want to add a little bit of creamer or vanilla milk in it. It's great for all the way back in like October to drink it, all the way through December, because cinnamon and apple are still, I think we forget that those are very, very wintry flavors. And I'm going to wrap up all of this tea talk with probably one of the teas that I consume most often. I'm a very anxious person. It's funny because it's true. This one is Sleepy Time. And I've definitely talked to you guys about Sleepy Time teas before. My favorite has to be lavender. But this one is Sleepy Time Honey, made with chamomile. I think it has like lemongrass, a little bit of peppermint, just things that are going to soothe your entire body, soothe your mind to help you get some sleep. And like I said at the start of this video, these 5 teas are perfect for December. All the way from your morning tea, the Earl Grey, to the non-caffeinated, really yummy teas in between, and then wrapping it up with your Sleepy Time. It's perfect for you if you want to go treat yourself and get yourself some tea, or if you have somebody in your life who is a sucker for tea and you're trying to find something to stuff in their stocking. Alrighty. Well, that is everything. Please let me know if you guys have either tried any of these teas or if you have any recommendations. I love going out and trying out what you guys tell me in the comments. You guys have some really, really good options. So thank you so much. I love you all. Goodbye.
Skiddly-doo-dee-doo-dow-ba-dee-dow-dee. Pouring with Pilar. She's a barista.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, let us know you liked it by leaving us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and catch us next week. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye. Now where's my money? Give me my money.
You don't get paid.
Give me my money.
You don't get paid.
Put something here.
High fives.
Okay.